Subtracting decimals. Making it easy with a number line. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting session on English language learning. Today we're going to delve into the world of mathematics. More specifically, we're going to learn about subtracting decimals using a number line. This may sound a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be a whiz at subtracting decimals using a number line. So, let's get started. Before we start subtracting, it's important that we understand what a number line is. A number line is a visual tool that we use to understand the sequence and relationship between numbers. It's a straight line with numbers placed at equal distances from each other. When we use decimals, they also fit right there in the line, between the whole numbers. Next, let's talk about decimals. Decimals are a way of representing fractions using a period, also known as a decimal point. After the decimal point, we can have one or more digits representing fractions of the whole number. For example, 1.5 is a decimal where 1 is the whole number and 0.5 represents half of the whole. Let's start with simple subtraction of decimals, without a number line. Imagine we have 4.2 and we want to subtract 2.1 from it. All we have to do is align the decimals and subtract like normal numbers. The result would be 2.1. Now, let's learn how to subtract using a number line. Suppose we still want to subtract 2.1 from 4.2. We start at 4.2 on the number line. To subtract, we move to the left. We will jump back 2.1 units, and we land on 2.1. So, 4.2 minus 2.1 equals 2.1, which is exactly the same result we got before. It's always important to practice what we learn. So, let's try another example together. Let's subtract 3.3 from 7.5 using a number line. Start at 7.5, move to the left 3.3 units, and where do you land? That's correct, we land on 4.2. So, 7.5 minus 3.3 equals 4.2. Congratulations! You've just learned how to subtract decimals using a number line. It's a fun and visual way to understand subtraction, and it can really help you in your daily life, be it shopping, cooking, or even planning your time. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and you'll be a master of subtraction in no time. Until our next session, happy learning!